Oh, look what we have here today. A 1967 Corvette, one of the most beautiful design cars ever. And this is a factory red on red, factory air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, power windows, red lines, bolt on wheels, side pipes, speed minder, and it's numbers matching. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This is a pretty car. It's beautiful. If you've been watching the videos, you know how much I love the 67, well, actually 63 through 67, the coupes. One of the few cars where the coupe's worth more than the convertible because of its design. Hideaway lights, they work properly. All this is beautiful, clean, absolutely straight. All this is looking real nice. 67 louvers here. Now the doors go right up into the roof of the car, so they got to fit all the way around. This one lines up real nicely. It opens effortlessly. Jambs are nice. Weather strips are replaced. Shuts like a new car. Now you got this rib going down the middle, the curved glass and this boat tail design. All this is looking really sharp. 67 is the first year for the reverse light there in the middle. All this looking real nice. I don't see any issues here at all. Right down to the bottom, all glossy, smooth finish. Now this door also, it fits real nicely, spot on. Jambs are nice and slick. Shuts real nice. So all this is looking really good. All looking really nice, beautiful. Now there's a couple, they get it. There's one hairline crack coming off the corner, literally looks like a hair laying there. There's a longer one, a little bit bigger one right here, one crack in the paint. And that's all that I've seen, and I don't see any stone chips or anything like that. The paint, every square inch of the paint is polished like red glass. Now the bumpers have been re-chromed, the bezels, the grill, the cross flag emblem, all that looks fantastic. Car has 65,000 miles shown on the odometer, and it could be original. This is the original windshield in the car still. It's properly dated. All the glass is still original, but the moldings look like they've been replaced. They're nice and shiny. Door handles have been replaced. Back glass is good original. Moldings replaced. The gas cap with the cross flags looks like new, and the emblems. So do the bumpers, the tail lights. It all looks nice and sparkly. And even the antenna. It's a correct antenna, but it looks like it's been replaced. Now it has BF Goodrich radial redline tires. So it has the look, but they ride nice. And the bolt-on aluminum wheels, they look like new. And then, of course, it has the side pipes, which looks great, but sounds even better. If I owned one of these, I'd have to have those pipes. It just sounds so nice going down the road. So that's the exterior. It's beautiful. Let's check out the beautiful red interior. I mentioned the coupes are worth more than the convertibles. Well, not only do they make less of them, but just the style. It just really enhances the already good-looking body style. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. So like I said, the jambs are nice. The weather strips look fresh. Sill plates are new. That's a factory red interior according to the tag, and it's all new door panels, and the knobs and hardware, that all looks real good. Nice clean instrument panel, and it has an optional speed minder. I don't know if we tried it, if it works, but it's supposed to buzz when you get to that speed. But all the other gauges are working, I know for sure. And all this red is all really nice, all one color red in here. The clock is not working. But here's the factory air-conditioned vents and knobs. All that looks real nice. Good glove box door. The liner looks new. You got some touch-up paint. AC vents. All new carpet, front to back. All this looks fresh. Original AM/FM radio. Automatic. Here's your power window switches. Here's your original red seat belts. Seats might have new cushions in them because they're nice and firm. And look how the upholstery fits. There's not a wrinkle. I mean, it looks nice. This looks real good. Again, all fresh carpet front to back. Does have a jack underneath this panel. Then all the trim, all looking really good. The dome light works. Headliner's real nice. Visors look good. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. They always have cracks in them, so this one may have been replaced because it's not cracked. It's a very, very tidy, clean interior. Nice. This is just a nice, comfortable Corvette to cruise in. Automatics, easy to use. Put the air on. You got your power steering and brakes. This 327 with 300 horsepower, trust me, is plenty of power for this little car, and they just will run forever. This one is VIN number matched. The dates, the codes, the casting, everything lines up the way it should. We do with pictures of a lot of that on our website. Stock manifolds. It has the ignition shielding, the Corvette finned valve covers. So yeah, here's the power brakes. Can't really see it, but the washer fluid bag, the original one, is still here. It's got some age to it. Alternator's been replaced. Cooling system all looks proper. There's power steering hiding down there. And it is a factory air-conditioned car. There's the expansion tank over there. Yeah, nice engine compartment. Michael's going to show you how well it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, what a gorgeous Corvette. Factory red on red, totally cool. It's a factory air conditioning car too. 327 under the hood, automatic transmission. It also has power steering and power disc brakes. Power windows too. This one is really nicely loaded up. It seems to run great. Started very easily for me. No issue at all. Great sounding side pipes on this one. Probably my all-time favorite option on a car. It's hard to beat. It's got a nice clean idle. Seems to be a really good build. A little traffic here. And as soon as we're clear, we'll go rip. All right. Got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60. That is really gets the blood pumping when you hear those pipes. Nothing like a Corvette, I tell you that much. See how it goes down the road here. Wow, really nicely put together car. Goes down the street straight as an arrow. How much fun. Contact our sales department if you want to come take it for a test drive yourself. We'll be happy to arrange that for you. And go ahead on our website, volocars.com for all the details.
Yep. So these have independent suspension, front and back. All that looks to be maintained as needed. The shocks and back look a little more recent, but it's been checked by our shop. It's in good shape. They also have disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. That system's working fine. E-brake system cables are hooked up. The fuel tank was replaced a couple years ago. You look up at the motor, it's nice, clean, Chevy orange, the proper starter, the correct canister type, oil filter. Transmission is the Power Glide 2-speed automatic transmission. In back, it has 336 gears. It's its original rear end, the right code and dates. So this is a numbers matching car. And according to the trim tag that looks original, it is a factory red on red. Great options. This is going to turn heads, and it's just going to be a nice, comfortable car, but yet it's still going to have that sports car feel and that muscle car sound. Go to volocars.com. One owner car for 30 years also. But go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your red Corvette delivered home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.